I just got a package from the AAPC and I'm not 100% sure what's in this. I know I was recently registered for the regional conference in South Carolina for the virtual version, so I'm thinking this is maybe the virtual swag bag. What do you guys think? It feels kind of like large but light, like it might be a bag in here. It doesn't feel big enough to be a t-shirt, so I'm thinking it's going to be a bag, and I'm hoping for pens. Remember, every time I get these swag bags, I'm like pens, and then I never get, I got one pen. I shouldn't say that. I got one pen I got. It's a pen. Should we crack this baby open? I think we should crack it open. What do you guys think? I bet it's a lot of advertisements. I want to show you guys this. So these are my scissors. These are actually just a regular pair of scissors I had, but because my office is all themed white and gray and rose gold, I spray painted the handles rose gold. I definitely want to be careful cutting into this because it looks like there is some sort of fabric something in here. Maybe I should just rip it because yeah, I don't want to, whatever this is, I don't want to cut it. Okay. Should we be surprised? Should we do a Victoria Reacts video? Let's see. Here we go. Hey! What kind of bag is... Okay, so I have a secret confession for you guys. If you go way back in my videos, unless I made it private, I might have made it private. There's a video where I talk about how much I love Aldi, and one of the things that you know about Aldi is you have to put a quarter in the cart and you have to bring your own bags. And I have been having problems lately because one of my bags, first off, the zipper broke, and I still refuse to get rid of it, even though it is my insulated bag from the Reading chapter. By the way, if you have chapter swag, let me know. I would love to, and I'll pay you whatever the cost of shipping or whatever is. If you have like extra chapter swag, that you have a chapter t-shirt or something, let me know because I love merch. So when I make a big trip to Aldi, I use basically all of my medical coding and AAPC bags. Here's a picture right here, you can see. And oftentimes I don't have enough. So I am so excited to have this because this would be a good bag for like my big container of eggs and then put my bread on top, or like a couple of bags of chips. And I hope there's some pens in here. By the way, if you have a company pen and you just have pens and you want to send me pens, P.O. Box 641, Fleetwood, Pennsylvania 19522. It's in the video description. Check that out. So this is the new AAPC logo. So I have an AAPC hand sanitizer, but this is supposedly the new logo. I'm not a huge fan of the new logo, and let me tell you why. So unless you know what the old AAPC logo looks like, it's hard to tell, I think, what this new guy is. So maybe it's just me, but like when I see this ball up here, I'm thinking it's like a stick figure man. And the only reason a stick figure man would look like this is if he's opening his trench coat, right? And there's his like squiggly stuff. You and I know what this is supposed to be based off of the old logo, but someone who's just looking at this now, I don't know. So I've got my bag, I've got my hand sanitizer, I have got, of course, some information about Healthcon Regional. It's going to be live streamed from Charleston. I'm going to be at Healthcon 2022 in DC. I'm driving down. My kid's going to be there. She's actually turning 10 right before the conference. So if you see her, make a big deal that she is now 10 years old. I actually got permission from her school to take her out of class, specifically because I'm like, she has to see what my networking looks like and the importance of networking while I'm at Healthcon. And also it's going to be healthcare related, which is educational. And it's the nation's capital. So of course there's like educational stuff there. So this is good. This is the information about downloading the conference app, which is important because I know sometimes you have to like uninstall it and reinstall it to get it to work right from conference to conference. There's some information here about advertisements, so book discounts, definitely we'll look into that. Exclusive offers, ooh, so they have some exclusive offers if you call on Healthcon 2022, on Codify, on study guides, half off certification exams, heck yeah. I actually think I somehow have like 3 specialty training programs in my Blackboard right now, 4 because I did add in the CDI. Not that I'm planning on taking the CDEI because I don't even know inpatient coding right now. And I think I talked a little bit about just-in-time learning. Like, I only learn skills for the tasks that I need to know for things I'm working on right now or are like immediately lined up. So while I did kind of want to look at what it looks like, I'm not really planning on going for my CDEI because I can't let FOMO distract my goals that I already have set in place. Here is the conference. Oh, I wish I was attending in person. It looks fun. There's a picture of me in there. Look at that. There's Victoria Moll. Hey, how about it? I didn't even know. That's so cool. I love it. So cool. Really excited about this. It's going to be a lot of great information. And there's one other thing in here, and I think I know what it is. Face mask. Okay. So this is cool. I like the ones that have the adjustables, but I like the bridges in the nose. And so the one that I have that's like this, that I think I got from last time, I think one of the issues, oh, this is big. One of the issues I have with this is that when I breathe in, it's like sucking into my mouth. You see that? I feel like I need one of those little like guard things for this type of mask because when I'm breathing, I feel like I'm like sucking in the fabric. This might be a good one, like when I'm doing air travel, I wear like a KN95, so this would be something to like put over it. Not that I'm like, oh my God, I need to double mask, but like just to make it look, you know, cute. So once again, still no pens. Guys, I'm gonna need you to pick up some slack here. P.O. Box 641, Fleetwood, Pennsylvania 19522. Pens. I need pens. I'm gonna show you my two favorite pens. So Tony L. Holmes sent me this. My kid became addicted to it, and then I had to, hold on, and then I had to purchase her some that look like this, rose gold. This is my second favorite pens that I got recently. These are so cute. Check this out, hold on. They're rose gold and they've got like little glitter floaters in them. Isn't that cute? Notepads, that's the other thing I like getting. I love a good notepad. All in all, I think like I want to brainstorm because I feel like there needs to be some kind of cool digital thing we can give for virtual conference attendees. I mean, it's great to get things like masks and pens and pens and pens and bags, but you know, what is something that we could send easily to people virtually that would be like a cool item? Maybe even if it was like a digital flashcard system or something that you could get as a virtual attendee of a conference. I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy virtual Charleston. I'm possibly going to be popping in on some chats, so definitely say hi if you see me, and if you want to see some more swag opening, you can check out this video here. See you guys in the next video, and until then, just keep on coding on.